Hello! Today I'll show you 5 simple SQL tricks that I use regularly. My name is Lada, I'm a software engineer, and let's start. The first trick. Let's imagine that we need to show all users and their country. Let's run it first. Perfect. And we do have some nulls in the country column. Usually we do not want to show a null, and for this task we can replace it using COALESCE. And let's try it. Simply what it does. If there is a country, show the country. If there is no country, show unknown or no data or whatever you would like to put here. And we can see now Poland, unknown, as we mentioned, Germany, unknown, France. It is very simple and very useful in repos, APIs, any dashboards, and so on. Okay, and let's move on. Let's imagine we would like to categorize our orders as large or small. And let's say every order above 100 is large, everything else is small. For that we can use case. Case is basically an if statement inside SQL. So if our amount is over 100, then we can display large. Otherwise, we display small. Let's check. What do we have? And here we are. Large, small, small, large, small. Okay, the next trick. Imagine we would love to count active users and inactive users. And many developers write separate queries for this, what is absolutely okay. But we have a simple solution. So we can do filtering in such a way. So we add count, filter, and we add our filter. Checking. And now we get both numbers from a single query. Okay, the next topic. Our task is to show users who placed at least 2 orders. And what we do. First, we group orders by user. And now we know how many orders each user has when we do grouping. But we only want users with 2 or more orders. This is exactly what having is for. And we should add count all should be more than 2. This is exactly what having is for, and if we use where clause, we filter rows. If we use having, we filter groups. That's the easiest way to remember it. And let's run it. And voila, we have our user IDs and orders count. And the final trick for today. We want to show users who have placed at least 1 order. And for this task, we can use exists. So let's check our users first. I simply run select name from users, first of all. And we have Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Emma. And if we use exists, we can add a filter to understand whether we have orders for this person or not. And let's run. David is missing from the result because David has no orders. To sum up, if all you need is does a match in row exist? Exists is usually the cleanest solution. And finally, let's quickly recap. So we took a look at COALESCE, case, filter, having, exists. If you want the scripts from this video, they are available below the video. And if this video was helpful, I would be very happy to see your subscriptions, likes, comments, or whatever. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.